Here we need to make a generator pad, 616 kVA. So we're cutting the existing slab, which is 300 millimeter thick, and then also the reason is that so that from the vibration of the generator, then we will not have anything happening to the pad. So we're trying to build around it and then backfill it with that, and then also then after being backfilling, then we do the compact and we pour the concrete on top. So we're going to do so. So it becomes very easy now to take out that unwanted part, you can see. Yes. You need to connect into that. Yeah. So that interconnection of the existing wall to the new wall of the new slab. So now I had to lay down the brick force wire in the same trench that we have opened up, so that we increase the bonding of the block, the mortar, and all, so that everything works together. So now, after compaction, using this hand compactor, then the shutterboard is in, and also the wire, the converse wire, to help out with the expansion. And then the base has been poured, so and compacted after putting some water. So we're gonna have these holes on these existing walls, so that at least we have a concrete. Morning everybody. So right here we want to make a shade for the generator right here. So for now we've installed these bars to support the roof. So what I've done here now is put the roll bolts underneath and then tie them. So when you come to the other end again, let's do the same. They are all tucked inside. It's firm after erecting them with the level, so that we have everything in place. So now is this timber, which is also going to be supporting our roof from the other side. Yes, stay tuned.